Alright, we're at Mopar Heaven. We got VIP passes. And that's how it looks like so far. I have a Venom car.
Oh, that looks sick.
Hey, you brought Venom with you?
Yeah.
Look at you. Is it? Venom. With Venom. We got the other Venom. This is your car. Bro, that looks sick. You want a photo? Yeah. Smells. Dude, they even got the Funko Pop. These are nice cars. Power Rangers. Dude, look. It's morphin' time. Dude, look. That's a pretty cool crown though. Ooh, look at the inside. I don't want to step on this thing. It's a little different. That's pretty cool. Alright. You know what a watch is? Dude, like the gold, like the color. Oh, this looks so good. Yeah. It's Deadpool. I like this color. Cause it's like brownish and gold. Oh, look at this. Oh, bro. I think I saw this in the track. Oh, these are the drift cars. You're right. That's a cool. It's cool. Going over there. Burnouts.
We're gonna get these guys in here to pass some time, keep the show rolling. We're getting the judges over here real quick, and then we're gonna get this party started.
So these two are... They wanted to quick slip in a little bit more playtime before they would judge. That's fine.
Heaven, this big Indian motorsports pit. We're about to get this style competition ready. Who's ready to get started with me? Are y'all ready or what? Come on, that was me. Give me some more, a little bit more. All right, that's a little bit better. Let's get this started. Let's go. You ready to send the first one?
Yes, sir. We got Hyro coming out.
Take up, the better you look, in my opinion. Anybody can do donuts. We want to see you space it out. Get some long shreds in there. Okay, getting smoke rolling. Do this thing out there. Y'all like this so far? Alright, 50-50. That was like, points for this. There we go.
Now, at that point, he's just...
Let's see what happens. That was a good tipping right there. That was nice. This is just the style competition. These boys ain't blowing off tires.
At 3 o'clock is the savage down the dirty burnout.
Now make sure you guys keep your hands in the vehicle. We don't want to get in no trouble. More style out of these boys. I need long swings. I need a 360. Maybe a rollback. Something.
Don't do a rollback, no. He flies transmission smithereens in Georgia. No rollbacks. That's what we're looking for. That's what you need to be able to see. Evan, what did you think?
We got my boy Barnes out here, 707. This guy. tells me that plate goes to his car. He just pulled it off the parking lot.
So far, all our competitors, he's laying down a decent run.
I like how he's getting introduced to a few different talented stuff out there, bro. I appreciate that, man. He's doing good. He's stretching it out, keeping the smoke rolling, keeping the car rolling. The crowd is dedicated. Little Manji back there. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, keep it for the burnout comp, bro. For the burnout comp. You lost everything back there. Hold on.
Put it under Yoshi Bird. He's got no money to buy all the rare Dodge Chargers.
What's that social security number one more time? Let's go. Let him rip.
90 seconds on the clock. Let's go. Keeping it going, keeping it going.
Oh man, with the hand out the driver's side. This dude might take the W, man. He's putting out right now. He's Tony Toaster the Savage. Making this thing roll. That's max style points right there. That's the best I've seen so far.
He's got like 30 seconds left in his run. Let's see right now. Some nice style points. Okay, all right.
Dude, he's throwing that thing right now. It's looking good. Now this is stylish. Oh, look at that. A little extra style. Throwback action. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's
I don't know where he is. All right, driving. There we go.
Let's go. We
What
got
an
a
epic
proposal
time.
right
Oh
here.
my gosh. Yo, he's putting it down on one knee. My man's about to make the commitment of a lifetime.
Let's go.
Let's hear it for Let's go. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, she's crying. I want to see happy tears.
How do you feel
Happy
right
tears.
now?
Amazing.
He
Did you
feels
say yes?
amazing.
Was it yes or no?
Nice.
It was a hell yes.
That's great. We just had somebody get engaged on the track right now.
Hey, if she didn't say yes, I would. That thing looks good, bro.
I just took a rock to the eye. They just got engaged.
She took a rock to the
These
finger.
boys burnt it down. That was a rowdy one.
My boy went to Jared for that one. It looks like we got a few drivers left, so hopefully we got some surprises.
Owns this good-looking purple demon charger out here.
Yo, that was a good run, bro.
Appreciate it, dude. They said it was a style run, so that's what I went for.
Man, that shit was fun. That was cool. Will you pull out the wheel?
Appreciate it.
You guys out the car if y'all mind.
Yeah, for sure. We would have had them though.
Go ahead.
Alright, you guys want a little taste of what's gonna happen at 3 o'clock? I'll guys give you a little taste.
You got video, bro?
Huh? No. I'm just running normal.
Alright, so ladies and competition. You're judging. I'm gonna send out my man Gushy Bird in his pre-charged monstrosity. And if this thing survives.
Look at that tire, bro. Get out of here. Is that way? Let's go out through that way. I don't think we can go out through this way. Alright, so we were at Mopar Heaven and we're about to leave. What did you think about it?
That's pretty good, pretty good.
We still got all the cars behind us.
Yeah, the cars look very nice. Which is your favorite person?
Dude, I really like the one with the one with the lights. Oh, you know the Venom was really nice too.
Yeah, I like
Yeah. Did you like the show, the Burnout show?
the Burnout show is pretty good.
Yeah. You should definitely come back next year. Yeah. What you rated for? If you could rate it, what would it be? Huh? 8 out of 10? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Alright.